In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change accounts on the Dropbox app. If you want to switch from one Dropbox account to another on your computer, the simplest way to do it is to sign out of the current account and then sign back in with the new one. This method works well on both Windows and Mac, and it's usually the fastest option if you only need to use a different Dropbox account in the app. To begin, open Dropbox on your computer by finding the Dropbox icon. On Windows, you'll usually see it in the system tray at the bottom right corner of the screen. On a Mac, it's normally in the menu bar at the top right. Click that icon to open the Dropbox panel. Once the panel appears, look for your profile picture or your initials. This is where account-related options are usually located. Click on it to open the account menu. From there, choose Preferences or Settings, depending on the version of the app you're using. The wording may vary slightly, but the option will take you to the same general area where your Dropbox app settings are managed. Inside the Settings window, go to the Account tab. This section shows the account currently connected to the Dropbox app. If you're making sure you're switching the correct account, this is a good moment to quickly review what's connected before moving on. Now click Sign Out. Dropbox will usually ask you to confirm before completing the sign out process. Go ahead and confirm it. This will disconnect the current account from the Dropbox app on that computer. Keep in mind that signing out removes access to that account in the app until you sign in again. After you sign out, Dropbox will prompt you to log in again. This is where you can enter the login details for the account you want to use instead. Type in the email address and password for the new Dropbox account, then continue through the sign-in process. Once you've logged in, the app will begin connecting to the new account. Depending on your Dropbox setup, it may take a little time to sync files and update everything. If you don't see your files right away, give it a moment for the app to finish loading and syncing. That's all it takes to change accounts in the Dropbox app using the easiest method. Just open the Dropbox icon, go into your account settings, sign out, and then sign back in with the new account. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to switch accounts without any trouble.